I first looked at the Solventum composite range, if I'm honest, I found it really overwhelming. There seemed to be so many composites and colors and names that I avoided it. But once I understood the philosophy behind the range, it all clicked. And now think of it as 3 shades: blue, purple, and green. Blue. This is the Pro composite. Blue is Filtek Supreme XTE. This is your premium aesthetic composite. Think 36 shades, multiple opacities, and everything you need if you're doing advanced anterior layering and highly aesthetic work. Also, it's a true nano composite, which means the restoration will stay shinier for longer, it's hard wearing, and my favorite thing, it's beautifully non-sticky, so you can pack it with ease. Next up, purple. This is your everyday composite. Purple is Filtek Easy Match, and if you're new to Solventum composites, this is where I'd start. It's your everyday composite, which is just 3 shades. You've got bright for your white smiles, natural for almost everyday restorations, I pick it up all the time. Then you've got warm for the darker teeth. Instead of trying to decide whether someone's a B1, A2, A3.5, just think bright, natural, or warm. It's a lot more intuitive, and you just get to choose a shade. And the reason it works is the way the material adapts. In thin areas, it appears more like enamel, and in thick areas, more like dentine. And this allows those 3 shades to blend across the teeth beautifully. Green. Think speed. Green is the Filtek One bulk fill. It has 5 shades and can be packed in increments up to 5 millimeters, which makes posterior restorations really fast. So when efficiency matters in deep cavities, this is the one I'm reaching for. Okay, now bonus composite. This is from the Filtek Universal range. There's one product that I really like, and that's the pink opaquer. I'd use this when I've got a dark stump to mask, or there's that staining left after you remove an old amalgam, and it's only less than 1 millimeter, and it's blocked out all that darkness, which allows your final composite shade to do exactly what it's supposed to do. Finally, you've got the flowables. Filtek Easy Match Flowable is probably the flowable I reach for the most. I use it for class 5 restorations, worn incisal edges, ceramic repairs, lining your deep cavities, and improving adaptation around class 2 boxes. It's really versatile. A year ago, when I saw the Solventum composite range, I said, this is overwhelming. But now I think of it so much more simply. Blue, aesthetics, purple, everyday, and green, speed. And because all of them are true nano composites, you know you can trust them, and they can all be safely warmed. Once you understand where each one fits, choosing the right composite becomes really straightforward.